Did you know that if all the bees disappeared from the surface of this earth, the entire human race would also disappear? Shocked? I was too. During my random surfing time, I chanced upon this amazing video about the importance of bees. I thought to myself, this message must be spread as loud and as big as can be. Why not make a big installation of a honeycomb? This was made out of 15 hexagonal canvases and plastic bottle caps, and all forms of plastic cups have been used to create this installation. I had the opportunity to showcase this, and I also did it in a mall at Republic Day. I wanted to create awareness about the single-use plastics. We need to dispose them. Let me take you through my journey of being an artist. But you may ask, why art? Artists are just children who refuse to put down their crayons. I guess when they wrote this quote, they were talking about me. When I was 1.5, like any other child, I discovered this wonderful world of crayons. At the same time, I discovered my life's biggest canvas. Well, at least at that age, the walls of my house. I enjoyed drawing, shading, mixing, and creating. Thankfully, my parents led me to continue to create my artworks and did not discourage me. Once there were no more walls left to color, I was introduced to paper, coloring books, and any material on which I could color. As time progressed, I created more and more artworks. One thing I realized was that every time I took to color, it made me calm and relaxed. I also found art as I expressed my deepest emotions, such as times when I would be upset with my parents or friends. I would take the color red or blue and create something totally abstract. This made me realize that art is not just the end product, but the entire process of being in the flow. I could sit for hours and not be perturbed by anything while creating a piece of art. A piece of art speaks more than words. With plenty of books and papers filled up, my mother decided that it was time to put all of my artworks in one place. Hello, Instagram. So this is my Instagram handle, Artastic Me. And here I upload all of my artworks and also DIY. My work of art will almost always have a name and meaning. My installation was heavily covered by the media. While it was definitely nice to receive the accolades, I created art not to get likes or for anything else. I create because it is healing to me, and I am pretty sure that it creates an impact on other people watching it too. I found the installation was a way to get my message across. I have found that I can express my opinions and thoughts about issues through my art. And I believe that each one of us can stand for what we believe in and express it in our own unique way. In the words of M.K. Asante, the artivist, knows that to make an observation is to have an obligation. In closing, this is my first TED speech, and yesterday was my father's birthday. Daddy, happy birthday. This is my gift to you. I love you. Thank you.